Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install NBC on Amazon FireStick. So it is a very simple and easy thing to do. The first thing that you need to do is to simply come to the home page of your Amazon FireStick and use the search bar. Now here in the search bar, you just have to type NBC. Once you are able to find NBC application, you just have to tap on it and then you will be able to see the get or the download button in front of you. So in order to download it in your device, you need to tap on the download button and wait for some time until the download is complete. Now, once it is downloaded successfully, you just have to simply tap on the play button and then you will be redirected on NBC, where you just have to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. This way you will get access to NBC on Amazon Fire Stick. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.